Let's solve a rational equation. That's an equation where I have fractions with variables. And I'm going to clear my calculator out. Clear this out so we can work it together. I'm first going to notice that I'm going to be able to solve this. I typed it down here by the cross multiplication method or by multiplying each side by the least common denominator, which is x minus 9 times x plus 5, which is going to give us 4 times x plus 5, that's this cross right here, part of the multiplication, equals 2 times x minus 9. And then I'm going to distribute. So 4 times x gives me my 4x. 4 times 5 gives me my 20. 2 times x gives me my 2x, and 2 times 9 gives me negative 18. Then I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides to get all my x variables on the left side, and I'm going to subtract 20 from both sides to get my constants on the other side. Once I do that, I'm able to add like terms. In this case, 4x minus 2x will give me 2x, and negative 18 minus 20 will give me negative 38. My last step is to get x all by itself. It's right now multiplied by a 2, so I'm going to divide both sides of this equation by 2, and I'll get a solution of negative 19. In order to verify this solution on the graphing calculator, I'm going to enter each side of the equation as a separate y equals, and I'm going to plug negative 19 in and make sure that they're equal at that point. So my first one will be 4 divided by, I need to be careful when I type that denominator. It needs to know the entire x minus 9 is the denominator, so I'll have to use a grouping symbol or a parentheses, and I'll get x minus 9 in parentheses. Hit enter. It automatically brings me down to the y2, and I'll have 2 divided by parentheses x minus, x plus 5. Great. Enter. And then I'm going to use second table, and I've already got it on ask. And I'm going to type in negative 19 and hit enter. And I notice that when x is negative 19, both of my y values are the same. These two fractions are equal when x is negative 19, and I have verified that that solution works.